How to ship a vehicle from USA to Europe. If you need to have a vehicle shipped from North America to Europe, you've come to the right place. The process of transporting a car to Europe is not as difficult as it may seem when you partner with the right auto shipping company. At Ship Vehicles, we have been transporting cars from North America to Europe for over 30 years. Our experience with the overall process will make us an asset in your overseas relocation. Air freight vehicle transport to Europe is most often selected when timing is a concern and cost is a non-issue. Transporting a vehicle via the ocean will usually take around 3 to 4 weeks, whereas shipping a car to Europe by airplane will significantly reduce the overall travel time. The overall price for shipping a vehicle to Europe will depend on a variety of factors related to your individual situation. For example, because of total distance, it is much cheaper to ship a car from New York to Europe than Los Angeles to Europe. It is due to this fact that you'll want to obtain a custom shipping quote to ensure that you're receiving the most accurate pricing. Call us today at 888-231-0113.